Hello guys, this is Evolution, or you could just see the voice behind the videos. Just in case you're wondering if it's a he or a she, well, this is your answer. And there's no script for this audio, I'm just speaking. I didn't write anything down and I'm not reading from anything, I'm just speaking. So I've been a creator in YouTube for over 2 years and I haven't spoken once or showed my face in my videos, and I'm not going to show my face in this video, but well, you get to hear the voice. And I actually had a goal set that when I get to 1,000 subscribers I would do this, but there's been an ups and downs, and I'm glad I'm doing it right now. At least I get to fulfill that promise, although it's almost 1,500 while I'm recording. So this video is not a personal documentary about my life or anything, but I've been thinking about making a change for my channel ever since I got to 1,000 subscribers, and I think this is a bold step to take. And I've always liked the idea of storytelling because I believe I could tell wonderful and beautiful stories, and I think it's time I start implementing those into my videos. And I actually have a video ready, but I still have to work on the editing part, and I think you're going to love it because it's going to be fun, and it actually makes no sense though, but you just love watching it. So when I started YouTube, I had no actual plan. I just took my camera and started recording a video, and that's how I got my first video, and the second, and the third. And after the third one, that's when I started actually making plans before I started recording anything else. So fast forward, and it's 2 years later, and I'm still doing the same thing, still recording, still uploading. So just in case you do not know, I am a very big overthinker. I do think a lot before I do things, and I'll be like, what if, and what if, and what if nobody likes the video, what if nobody watches the video. But I think I should have gotten past this stage a long time ago, and that's why I'm doing this right now. So yeah, so this is my voice, and you're going to be hearing it for my next videos. And I do like talking, I do enjoy talking, meaningful conversations though, and creating. I do like adding stories to my builds and why I actually did those things I did and how I actually made it happen. Instead of just showing you how I do it, I think I'm going to be talking about how and the challenges I face while making a video and this kind of stuff. So I started YouTube with just 3 subscribers, my mom, my brother, and me, and now I have over 1,000 subscribers. And just thinking about those memories and just wondering what would have been if I hadn't taken up that camera and started recording. And I don't even know why you're subscribing to my channel, because I don't see the perfect video I make, because there's always an error and I could always find those errors in my videos. But at least you guys still subscribe, and most times I wonder why and how. Why did you subscribe? And I just think I should be grateful. I really am, but I think I should be more grateful that people get to like what I do and they're actually engaging this kind of videos. You know, most people look at this kind of videos and be like, it's childish and it's for children, but I do like what I do, and if I have more I will do more, and that is what I plan on doing. So that's why I'm starting with my voice. I've had a lot of views on my videos. Most of them are not on camera, and I deleted most of it, but and overall you guys made the experience much better for me, because when I uploaded a video and I get at least 50 views or 100 views, it makes me know that people actually care and people do want to see what I have to offer. and trust me, I don't have a lot to offer, which I'll be showing you in the future if you stick around. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been watching my videos, and if you've been liking them, commenting, and sharing them, thank you. And like I said, this is just a start to a big thing for 2025. This is all I have for now. Thank you.